I'll break down the renting process step by step, super simple, no stress. Then I'll give you a tour of a real 1,400 euro apartment I visited. So whether you are planning a move or just curious about what the price gets you in Spain, then this is for you.
Travel, want to wander.
Nomads.
So you're thinking about moving to Spain, amazing. But before you go and enjoy the sunshine, the sangria, and the siestas, you need a place to live, right? And trust me, you need a place to rent in Spain. Renting an apartment in Spain can be very tricky. And if you're new here, have been apartment hunting for myself, and the whole process has taught me a lot. That is why in this video, I'll break down the renting process step by step, super simple, no stress. Then I'll give you a tour of a real 1,400 euro apartment I visited. So whether you are planning a move or just curious about what the price gets you in Spain, then this is for you. Let's jump in. How to rent an apartment in Spain step by step. Renting in Spain is different from some other countries, guys. So it's really helpful to know what to expect and what you should do. But the number one thing that you ought to do first and foremost is to start your search online. Before you even get to Spain, before you even start looking, before you even decide and say, I want to move, go to websites like Idealista, Fotocasa, Pisos.com, and start searching. You can filter by your city, the budget, the number of bedrooms, whether it's furnished or not furnished, pet friendly, and more, because this gives you a good idea of what you can get for your money. Then when you search online, the next thing to do is to save your favorites and message the landlords or the agents early. Even if you're not in Spain yet, it's good to start talking, okay? And while you're in the process of talking, prepare your documents. Landlords will want proof that you are reliable and you can pay rent. So you will need your passport, you will need your NIE, which is the foreigner identification number in Spain. You can apply for once when you're in Spain, and you also need proof of funds. Yes, this could be maybe a job contract, recent pay slips, or bank statement. If you're a student or you are new to Spain, they may ask you for a guarantor, someone who promises to pay if you can't. And when you get all these things, translate into Spanish and start the process. Of course, if you are coming to work route in Spain, the company will be able to handle this for you. But then it is good to lodge in an hotel and visit in person to see what you are going for. Okay. And that leads us to the second point, or should I say the third point? Visit in person. Once you arrive Spain, it is very important to go and see the house that you want to rent. Okay. Is the house free from noise? Does it have cell phone signal, natural air, condition of the furniture, the appliances? Seeing it for yourself makes a difference, because I once lived in an apartment whereby we didn't check very well, and as such, anything you just touch like it falls to the ground. Things were not in good state. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to understand the rental contract. Most contracts are actually 12 months. Some of them are shorter, like 6 months seasonal rental. So look for the one you want and make a deposit. Usually, you leave 1 or 2 months rent and you leave it. Like a security deposit. You're going to pay agency fees, you're going to pay bills. And if your Spanish is not great, this is where you can bring a lawyer or somebody who can translate for you, okay? So that you can be able to understand what is going on. And when it comes to apartment in Spain, guys, good apartments go quickly, especially in big cities. If you find the one you love, be ready to leave a small reservation deposit to hold it while you finish your paperwork, just to make sure that it's left for something in case something happens. It's refundable if you do not get the house. Okay, the security the deposit. And don't be afraid to get help. If you do not speak Spanish, like I said, maybe you were overwhelmed and you were thinking, how can I be able to communicate with the landlord? It's not a problem. There are several agencies, several people, and even your lawyer can help you uh, converse with the landlord. And now let's see this 1,400 euros renter in Spain that I actually paid a visit to. So this place was listed for 1,400 euro per month in Malaga, Malaga Central, and let's see what inside looks like. Okay, guys, this house is actually in the southern part of Spain, and this is the entrance to the apartment. It looks so secluded, like it's in a more quiet area of the city center. This is the laundry room where you do your laundry. The washing machine is there, the heater is there, and this is the kitchen, the fridge, the refrigerator. It's not so big, but then most of the houses in Spain come furnished or partially furnished, so you do not really need to buy any other appliances. It has a dishwasher, it has an oven, and it has, different compartments in the kitchen. I don't know if that is what made it so expensive. Yes, so that is a hot plate and the oven. Over here is, I think, some of the dishes within this compartment. Let's open and see. So you can see some of the plates. Yes, most of the plates for eating, glass cups, glasswares, they are in here. So renting a house in Spain is not you starting from scratch. You have something to start with. So if you are that kind of person that likes, unless you don't like what is in the house, then you can change. This is the living room. This is the dining section. This is the living room, the parlor. It's not so big, but then it's kind of busy. And it's downstairs. The house is at the ground floor. Uh, so that is it. And again, I think I should show you a snippet of. Okay, this is, I think, an electrical part of the house. So the agent uh, showed me the house, and actually, I wasn't going to go for the house, being that I don't like apartment that's on the ground floor. And within me, I'm still thinking, why is it so expensive? Like 1,400 euro per month. Living room again. This is the couch. Um, Not that bad. It has a TV. Um, the bathroom. I hope I videoed the room so I can show you this. Yeah, this is one of the bedrooms. Uh, Looking small, and this is the second part of the bedroom. I think the master bedroom. So, guys, I think this is all to it. Let's continue the rest of the video. So the building had an elevator, although the building was downstairs. Overall, the apartment was fresh, modern feel, but nothing super fancy, and no too much stylishness. But then it was actually spacious. And was it worth 1,400? In big cities like Madrid or Barcelona, 1,400 gets you a nice but not a luxurious place. In smaller cities, town, you could get something much bigger, even a whole house for the same price. So it depends on the location that you would like to rent in Spain. And things to know before you move to Spain. These are just a few last tips you should keep in mind. Know that there's a difference between small and large cities. That means big cities and small towns. In cities, expect that there are more smaller spaces for big money and your money is, you're going to stretch further. And the tourist season, during the tourist season, the competition can be much. And in winters, you have cheaper amount most often than not. Then again, you should know that some houses come furnished and some do not come furnished. The ones that come furnished, if anything goes wrong and it's spoiled, you're going to take from your security deposit to fix it. Otherwise, you get your money back. So that is what a 1,400 apartment in Spain looks like. Now you know how to rent one, two. I like this place, but for me, the price wasn't just right. Okay. And actually, I've found somewhere. I'm living here. Maybe one of these days I will do a house tour about where I live now. It's actually okay for me. But then, if you're planning to move to Spain and you need more tips, you can check my previous video about me sharing how my security deposit was not refunded back to me. Check it and see my story. Well, that is all for this video. It's kind of short, right? But then I hope you learned something that will guide you when you settle and move finally to Spain. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more interesting content. If you want to talk with me, go to www.nomads.com. Until my next video, see you next time. Buena suerte. Adios.